Some Gatorade to drink. Um, Zero sugar. Right now, I am exhausted. So this is what I'm drinking, and I'm at the swimming pool, guys. I'm at the swimming pool over here, and you can take a look at it if you like. Take a look at the water. The water is really something else. See there? So this is where I'm at. I'm chilling. Uh, I'm going to walk to the end of the block here. At the end of the block, there's a grocery store. There's a gas station. Uh, so today is hot. Going to get ready to walk. So I thought I'd have you guys come along with me. Over here, these are condominiums. Well, I should say it that way. Be a little bit more correct. People live there. The grocery store is on the right over there. And as I walk further down, I get caught up to the store. It's going to take me some time to get to the park. So I'm going to stop here. This is like a condo here. I'll let you take a look at it. Really nice. 90-degree heat today. I got to do some serious walking. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm at the park. It's really hot here. As you can see, I just got here, and what I'm gonna do, I want to show you the park. If you look behind me, you'll see there's the bridge like I walked over. Just look behind me. You see all the grass behind me. There's a lot of trees. I'm at a park. I'm not far from the river, and I want you to see this stuff. So I thought I'd come out and show you. So what I'm gonna do, the sun is real bad. It's 90-degree heat here. I'm gonna put on my shades. I'm gonna show you guys around. I want you to see how this place looks. So let me put on my shades. Let me walk around the park and show you how this place looks. Go back and look at the water. This river runs into the marina. See? Let's go on the other side. I'll show it to you. We're gonna walk on the other side. And it's a good view. Take a look. Got a nice view here. This is under the bridge. This river runs into the marina. It runs into where all your boats are. And I wanted you guys to see this. 90-degree heat today. 90-degree heat. The ducks are out. Take a look down there, guys. Wow. Take a look. See all that? See all that river? Geese are down there. It's beautiful on a nice sunny day. On a nice sunny day. This is the Marinas River. This is where a lot of boats come. A lot of people come here. Okay? The geese are all the way down. I can't see it. I can show it. And this is the bridge I walked over. Okay? This is the bridge. So, I'm going to end, but I want to look at my viewers, and I want you guys to see me. I end. See? This is the marina. Go back and look at the water. This river runs into the marina. See? Let's go on the other side. I'll show it to you. We're going to walk on the other side. And it's a good view. Take a look. Got a nice view here. This is under the bridge. This river runs into